Vivek Ramaswamy, the Indian-American entrepreneur who made headlines during 2024 US presidential race, is now running to run for governor of Ohio in 2026. This decision comes after Ohio's current Republican governor, Mike DeWine, selected Lieutenant General Jon Husted to replace Vance, who is stepping down from his United States Senate seat to become vice president under Donald Trump's new cabinet. Ramaswamy, a self-made billionaire with Indian roots, have been a rising star in US politics. His pharmaceutical company made him one of the richest Indian American, with Forbes estimating his net value at $960 million in 2023. His entry into politics was sudden but impactful. His 2024 presidential campaign gained attention from his pro-Trump stance and strong opinion on immigration, business, and governance. Currently, Ramaswamy is working closely with Elon Musk on a new US government project called the Department of Government Efficiency. We also call it DOGE. This initiative aims to cut unnecessary government expenses and reduce federal spending by $2 trillion. While this sounds ambitious, many experts believe that these plans are too extreme to be realistic. Despite being one of the key figures in the project, Ramaswamy's role has somewhat overshadowed by Musk's larger influence and wealth. However, recent tensions between Trump's circle and Ramaswamy suggest that his political journey hasn't been smooth. Some Trump allies have accused him of being too outspoken on issues like immigration and labor policies. A recent controversy involving H-1B visa put Ramaswamy in a very difficult position. He made a statement on Elon Musk's social media platform X, arguing that American culture values mediocrity over excellence, which is why the US companies rely on skilled foreign workers through H-1B visa. He even said more science competitions, fewer cartoons, more books, less TV, more creating, less chilling. Now, this did not sit well with many Trump supporters who saw it as an insult to American workers. Key Trump ally Steve Bannon criticized both Ramaswamy and Musk, accusing them of supporting foreign workers at the expense of Americans. Even Trump himself was reportedly unhappy with the situation despite publicly supporting H-1B visa. Now, with the growing tension in Trump's inner circle, Ramaswamy seems to be shifting his focus back to Ohio politics, where he has strong connection. Ohio is a crucial swing state and has a large Republican voter base, making it an attractive choice for him. If elected, he would become one of the few Indian American governors in the United States history, joining leaders like Nikki Haley and Bobby Jindal. For Indians in the United States, Ramaswamy's rise in politics is both exciting and controversial. On one hand, he represents Indian success in American politics, proving that Indians are gaining influence beyond just business and technology. However, his policies, specifically on immigration and jobs, often spark debate among Indian immigrants. While he supports skilled migration, his strong stance against other forms of immigration has made him a divisive figure. With the Ohio governor's race still 2 years away, Ramaswamy has plenty of time to build his campaign. His background as a businessman, author, and politician could work in his favor, but his association with Trump and his controversial statement could also create challenges.